Greetings prospectors, my name's Jonathan and it's time for another dev update. So the verdict after 5 weeks of weekly playtest, the verdict is really positive, it's really good. It was good that we did it. I think the first thing that comes to mind is I'm amazed it's 5 weeks, it's gone by super fast and it's become, I think, pretty natural for the team to do a playtest every Friday. We are all here really amazed with how stable the service is. So we've not really had many issues at all. And we were worried about that before we started doing weekly tests. It's really reduced the feedback loop with the community. So the way we were doing it previously with alpha tests, feedback was quite often on things that we'd already changed because the build was old. And that's not the case anymore. It's the stuff we finished yesterday. So from a feedback perspective, it's really a lot better for us too. To give you a sense of how helpful it is for finding bugs, from the last playtest, the community found 120 bugs. So well done, community. That was awesome. All in all, I'm just amazed that it's been 5 playtests already. It's been so fast and it's been really fun. We learned which contracts are the most popular. So I was surprised to find out that Hunt was the most popular, I think followed by Minerals and Lithium Gas. So I thought there would be a PvP contract in there somewhere, but I'm pleasantly surprised that it's PvE as a PvE focused player. We also learned how you feel about the credit economy and that we need to make further changes to it to get the sweet spot that we're aiming for. Yeah, it was great to get your feedback about player movement as well. So I think we learned a lot there and we've iterated quite a lot on it and we might make some more changes. But I think we've started to kind of nail it there as well, so that's really good. Other things we learned about how many players do we actually need for decent matchmaking times during closed beta, which is not that far away. We also learned how stable the servers are and also the areas where they need a bit of work, so they perform better when the player numbers are higher.
Up to 1,000 people.
Up to 1,000 people.
It's pretty sweet.
That's really, really cool.
And I think the biggest thing we learned is that open development is totally legit and like a great way for us to be doing things. It helps us a lot and it's fun and we need to double down on it. We're going to extend the playtest. We're still going to be starting at Friday at 5, but we're not going to be stopping on Saturday at 9, I think it was. We'll be finishing it on Monday at 9 AM, so it'll be running an entire weekend, which is really exciting for us. And the main reason for that is because many people asked for it, many players asked for it. I would like to play all weekend, and many of us here would like to play the game more. We feel more confident about it than we did previously because we've had 5 tests that have worked pretty well, so why not extend it? So it gives more people the opportunity to play at a time that's convenient for them. Crucially, it will give us more information, so more data about how the progression works, about how the game retains players in general. So how many on Friday will turn up on Saturday, how many of those turn up on Sunday, which is really important for us to get a good understanding of before closed beta starts. So the biggest changes coming up for this Friday, progression should work like intended. We had a bug in the last playtest. So now it's going to be a bit different from before as well. So it's not just working as intended, but it's further developed. There'll be more weapon mods. I'm not entirely sure how many there will be. We still are working on that, but there will definitely be more of them. There will also be improved parts of the map. So the woodcutting area, the kind of mining area will tell a bit more story of what used to happen in those areas. The laser drill is going to look like done because it's going to be done. But the thing I'm really happy about is the new health bar in HUD. It looks really, really good. It's very slick and it helps a lot to see that you're taking damage. So it's really a big improvement from the previous health bar. Will the game be released in console? Absolutely. I don't know. We want to get it right on PC first, but I hope it's not too many months away. Will there be a dual mode? There will absolutely be a dual mode. Rumors about a second map. Okay, I've played that map. It's freaking awesome. And I think the idea is that you guys get to maybe play it soon as well. So let's see. The closed beta is
Wow,
Is this
purple.
ray of light? That,
Yeah,
did you see
just,
that? I complete the epic mineral and then I got like a sunbeam because
Could you
that's
try to see it again?
totally how it should be.
On Fortuna 3.
Look at this.
Yeah, on Fortuna 3. It is
That was
just-
Fortuna 3 saying good job.
Exactly.
That's all that was.
Oh, nice.
Goodbye.